Maintaining strong and healthy legs is essential for seniors to preserve mobility, independence, and an overall good quality of life. As we age, however, our legs often begin to show signs of wear and tear, leading to challenges like reduced mobility, a higher risk of falls, and decreased overall health. In today's video, we will highlight 10 key foods that seniors should include in their diets to keep their legs strong and healthy. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and proteins that promote muscle strength, bone density, and overall leg health. Let's dive right in and discover how these foods can make a significant difference in your leg health. Lean proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth, which is essential for maintaining strong legs. Proteins provide the building blocks necessary for muscle tissue, helping to prevent muscle loss that commonly occurs with aging. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet supports muscle strength and endurance, allowing you to stay active and independent. Additionally, protein-rich foods aid in recovery after physical activity, reducing the risk of injuries and enhancing overall leg health. Actionable tip: include sources of lean protein in every meal, such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Aim for at least 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal to support muscle maintenance and growth. Calcium is essential for maintaining strong bones, which provide the structural support for your legs. Adequate calcium intake helps prevent osteoporosis and bone fractures, common concerns for seniors. In addition to bone health, calcium plays a role in muscle function and nerve transmission, contributing to overall leg strength and coordination. Ensuring sufficient calcium intake is crucial for reducing the risk of falls and maintaining mobility. Actionable tip: incorporate calcium-rich foods into your diet, such as dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, leafy green vegetables like kale and broccoli, and fortified plant-based milks. Aim for at least 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day. Vitamin D is crucial for calcium absorption and bone health. It also plays a role in muscle function, helping to maintain leg strength and reduce the risk of falls. Exposure to adequate vitamin D levels supports immune function and reduces inflammation, contributing to overall leg health and mobility. Seniors often require higher amounts of vitamin D due to decreased skin synthesis and dietary intake. Actionable tip: ensure sufficient vitamin D intake through foods like fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. Consider a vitamin D supplement if recommended by your healthcare provider, aiming for 800 to 1,000 IU per day. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce muscle soreness and joint pain, promoting easier movement and better leg health. These healthy fats also support cardiovascular health, enhancing blood flow to the legs and reducing the risk of peripheral artery disease, which can impair leg function and mobility. Actionable tip: include sources of omega-3s in your diet, such as fatty fish like salmon and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and fish oil supplements. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which can weaken muscles and joints over time. Consuming a variety of colourful fruits and vegetables provides essential antioxidants that protect leg tissues from damage. Foods high in antioxidants also support overall immune function and promote healthy blood flow, contributing to better leg health and reduced fatigue. Actionable tip: fill your plate with a variety of fruits and vegetables, such as berries, spinach, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Aim for at least 5 servings of colourful produce each day to maximise antioxidant intake. Whole grains provide sustained energy and essential nutrients like B vitamins, which are important for muscle function and energy metabolism. They also contain fibre, which aids in digestion and overall health. Incorporating whole grains into your diet helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that can lead to muscle fatigue and weakness in the legs. Actionable tip: choose whole grain options like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, oats, and barley. Replace refined grains with whole grains in your meals to boost nutrient intake and support leg health. Magnesium-rich foods play a key role in muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent cramps and spasms in the legs. It also supports bone health by working alongside calcium. Adequate magnesium intake contributes to overall muscle function, reducing the risk of muscle fatigue and enhancing leg strength and endurance. Actionable tip: incorporate magnesium-rich foods into your diet, such as nuts like almonds and cashews, seeds like pumpkin and sunflower, whole grains, and leafy green vegetables. Aim for about 400 to 420 milligrams of magnesium per day. Potassium-rich foods are essential for maintaining proper muscle function and preventing muscle cramps. It also helps regulate fluid balance and supports healthy blood pressure levels. Consuming adequate potassium can reduce the risk of leg swelling and improve circulation, enhancing overall leg health and comfort. Actionable tip: include potassium-rich foods in your meals, such as bananas, oranges, potatoes, spinach, and avocados. Aim for at least 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day from dietary sources. B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate, are important for energy production and nerve function. They help maintain healthy muscles and prevent leg fatigue and weakness. Adequate intake of B vitamins supports overall neurological health, ensuring that your muscles receive the necessary signals for proper function and coordination. Actionable tip: consume a variety of B vitamin-rich foods such as whole grains, meat, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and leafy green vegetables. Consider a B-complex supplement if recommended by your healthcare provider to ensure adequate intake. Hydration is essential for maintaining muscle function and preventing cramps. Proper hydration supports blood circulation, ensuring that your legs receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen. Dehydration can lead to muscle stiffness, fatigue, and an increased risk of falls, all of which can severely impact leg health and mobility. Actionable tip: drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 to 8-ounce glasses. Include hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges in your diet, and limit dehydrating beverages like caffeine and alcohol. Keeping your legs strong and healthy is vital for maintaining independence and enjoying an active lifestyle in your golden years. By incorporating these 10 essential foods into your diet, you can support muscle strength, bone density, and overall leg health, ensuring that your legs remain resilient and capable. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Timeless Wisdom, for more valuable insights on healthy aging and maintaining your well-being. Remember, every small dietary change can make a significant impact on your health. Let's embrace a strong and healthy future together.